Welcome to tutorial number 5 using the AutoCAD steering wheel. On the quick access toolbar, choose the open command. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up ex4_4_ steering wheel. Okay, so here's the model open. So on the view cube, we're going to restore the home view. So click on the home view icon. And AutoCAD now gives us a view looking in towards the house. It's automatically put us into perspective mode as well. So next we're going to launch the AutoCAD steering wheel. So on the status bar, we have a command here for steering wheel. The steering wheel by default is anchored into the bottom left hand corner of AutoCAD. If you move your mouse over the steering wheel, we have a familiar with 3D help here, or new to 3D. We can access all of the various different steering wheels and also the mini wheels as well from here. So we're going to use the full navigation wheel. So you'll notice as my cursor moves around on the screen, the navigation wheel is stuck to the end of the cursor. We'll start off by using the warp tool. So hold your left hand mouse button down over the warp tool. What you'll notice here is we get a symbol for an eye, and you can see here my arrow moving to the left and right of the eye. The idea is, if I now start to point the arrow up the screen, the further I move it away from the eye, the faster the walk speed. And of course here we can also direct this as well. So now I want to start to turn left once I'm through the door. Yep, so I will direct the view to the left here. Now we'll start heading towards the kitchen area. Okay, so at this point I may want to have a look around the kitchen, so I'm going to go and use the look tool. And again, you can hold your left hand mouse button down, and you can look up and down as well as left and right. At any time we can actually change our eye elevation using the up-down command. Okay, you can see here we've got a very simple slider bar. We can just change our eye level. A very useful function is the rewind command. Now if I hold my mouse down on the rewind command and now start to actually move back through the views, you can actually see that AutoCAD is restoring these previous views. So it's quite a handy way of going back in time. So next we'll actually switch the steering wheel to one of the mini wheels. So do a right mouse click over the steering wheel, and you'll see here that we can access any of these mini wheels. So I'm going to access the mini full navigation wheel. You can see one of the advantages with this is it does take up a lot less screen space. So what we'll do here is we'll go back to the warp tool and navigate our way back into the kitchen. Okay, so that concludes tutorial number 5 using the AutoCAD steering wheel.